This is the glass elevator here at Montgomery Mall in North Wales, Pennsylvania. That doesn't light up. It's dark in here. There's JCPenney. There's the former Sears. LL.
That's one too. Sure.
Coming in?
Oh, thank you.
Capacity 3,500 pounds. No phone, just an alarm bell. Now, it's just a hobby that I have, documenting elevators.
Come on, bud. Hey.
Owen. It's all right.
Going down?
No, it's alright. We'll make the next one.
There's your Schindler logo right there. This mall's now under new management. It's managed by, I believe, JLL, but it was sold by Simon in 2021, so therefore it's no longer a Simon Mall. And the tour at UL. Going up?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Got it.
Thank you.
There's your certificate of inspection. Does the alarm work? Yup. Any day now. And that's it.